Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Lauren Acolyador, 31 years old, married. I have one daughter, 8 years old. We live at Barangay Abaca, San Enrique, Iloilo. I have 5 brothers and 4 sisters. I'm 6 in the child family.
Okay, so please tell me about your education.
I'm high school graduate. I did not continue my college because financial problem.
Okay, so you have one child, and who will take care of your child if you work abroad?
My husband and my mother, ma'am.
Okay, so are you the one who take care of your child since her birth?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
In the
please
Kuwait.
tell me about it.
I'm staying in the Kuwait 2 years and 2 months. They have employer, single father. They have 2 kids, boy 30 years old and the girl 34 years old.
Okay, so it means your employers in Kuwait are already grown up, or by the way, are already adult.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
mean, so you have they have no kids, no more.
No kids, ma'am.
Okay, so and how long did you work in Kuwait?
2 years and 2 months, ma'am.
Okay, 2 years in and 2 months as a domestic helper in Kuwait. Is it a finished contract?
Yes, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay, so what are your duties inside the house of your employers?
I duty cooking, washing, and ironing clothes.
Okay, so are you also the one cleaning the house of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
And how would you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
My employers is good to me, ma'am.
Okay, so is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so it means you are the only one helper in your employer household.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so and how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking, can work under pressure, can manage my time, and I'm a happy person.
Okay, so do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so and did you undergo to any kind of surgery before?
No, ma'am.
And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go to abroad for my child education, save money. I want build our own house.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
And are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give the example.
Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad.
Okay, thank you. Do you have a food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids or elder?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am. I focus my work.
Okay, so would you like to work with an employer who has many children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hour?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have full consent of your family or husband to work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please say a short message to your future employer.
Hello, ma'am. If you select me as your domestic helper, I
Okay.
finish my contract and I extend if needed. I'm trustworthy and responsible and honest person. Hardworking, can work with less my supervision. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am, and God bless.
Okay, so that's all for today and thank you for coming.